If you're a true motorsports fan, then you already know that South Georgia Motorsports Park is one of the hottest racing venues in the country. But what's coming in 2025? This season is gearing up to be the biggest and most action-packed yet, with major upgrades, high-stakes races, and some shocking rule changes that could shake up the competition. Why is SGMP such a big deal? This track has seen some of the fastest quarter-mile runs in history, hosting legendary events like Lights Out, No Mercy, and Duck X Productions races. It's a hotspot for NHRA drag racing, grudge matches, and even streetcar shootouts. And in 2025, the track is stepping things up in a huge way. One of the biggest announcements for the upcoming season is the track resurfacing project. Racers have been talking about this for months, and it's finally happening. The fresh surface is designed to improve traction, meaning record-breaking runs are more likely than ever. With sticky prep and better grip, we could see more 3-second, quarter-mile passes than ever before. Another game changer is the updated event schedule. Fans are in for a treat because SGMP is bringing in more international racers, bigger prize pools, and new car classes that will make competition even tighter. This means we're not just seeing the same faces. New challengers are coming in, hot to prove they have what it takes. But what about the street racing scene? With the crackdown on illegal street racing, more underground racers are bringing their builds to SGMP. This track has always been a safe haven for those who want to prove their speed legally. And in 2025, expect to see more street legal classes added to events, making it easier for everyday racers to hit the strip without breaking the law. Now, let's talk about car trends for 2025. Pro mods and radial versus the world cars will continue to dominate, but one trend that's been gaining traction is the rise of electric drag racing. Yes, EVs are making their way into the scene, and while traditional V8 powerhouses still rule the track, expect to see some insanely fast electric builds pushing new limits. Just last year, an electric dragster hit a 5.96-second quarter mile at over 240 mph, proving that EVs aren't just for daily driving anymore. So, what does all of this mean for fans and racers? If you're a fan, get ready for a season filled with record-breaking speeds, intense rivalries, and upgraded facilities. If you're a racer, now is the time to dial in your setup because the competition is tougher than ever. And if you've never been to SGMP, 2025 is the year to make the trip. What are your thoughts on the new track updates and racing trends? Are you excited for the fresh surface, new events, and insane builds we'll see this season? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest racing news and event coverage.